going to be the elevator at the Dollarama at Square One Shopping Center in Missisauga, Ontario. Look at this, my very first ever Schindler 3300. Probably one of my favorite elevator models from Schindler. With linear fixtures. I like that chime. Lower level. There it goes. Here we go. This is a smooth elevator. Let's see. Capacity is 1587 kilos. Get off the door. This is a nice elevator for a Schindler. I'm very impressed with this one. Probably the best elevator model for a Schindler, at least in their attraction range. Okay, I'll take 2 rides. Got the door for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm just taking a video of the elevator. It's just a hobby of mine.
Oh, what are you doing?
There's actually like there's a whole community of people who do this actually, and these videos get millions of views. You have a nice day.
You too.
Overall, this is an awesome elevator, like I said. Great job. Okay, before it's open. Got the door for you.
It goes to dollarama, right now?
No, no. I'm getting off here. So that's it.